Wildfires are not always disasters.
Huh?
We usually think wildfires equals total destruction. But that's not always true. Some ecosystems actually need fire to stay healthy. Like pine trees, their cones only pop open from the heat. Fires clear out dead stuff, return nutrients to the soil, and make way for fresh new growth. Of course, uncontrolled wildfires caused by climate change? Still super bad, but not all fire is evil. So next time you hear wildfire, ask, is it nature or negligence? Hit like if you learned something.